Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you my Dollarama haul, and I have to tell you, it's majority of it's pink. I just find it bizarre that I picked majority of everything I picked up was pink today. So first I have these very pretty decorative pieces, and they have the clip. Now I already picked up some before, and I believe they were the gold ones, but this has got the pink glitter, and the pieces are adjustable. They kind of fling back to where they were, so, but I'm sure if you play around with it. But that's those. Oh, those are just so pretty. You know, $1.50 for 6 of them. Can't go wrong. And then I found these 3-point setup picks, and they are just beautiful. Now, the light doesn't do it any justice, but it is like a rose gold because it has pink shine through it. And it just has the stems on the back. But again, if you want to use things, you know, to create with it, you can get rid of the stem or you can keep it. It's up to you. I just love these new paper flowers. They're not new anymore, but I really love these paper flowers. They have a brush of gold on the top of the petals, and they are paper ones. And they're just beautiful. That color is beautiful too. I just love that. So I picked up that. I picked up these 2 more pink of the craft string on the wooden spools. And I have someone I'm giving that to. And then I picked up these here, the lace floral stickers. And I've shared with you guys that I did an altered frame with all this stuff. So Dollarama's coming in with some amazing products. Good quality products too. So compared to what they had before. But I got those there. So it's really beautiful lace pieces. And then I picked up more of these flowers, paper flowers, and you know, you get 6 in each for $1.50. Can't go wrong. Then I picked up these string LED lights. There's 20 of them. You know, with Christmas coming around the corner, I think I'm just going to put them here on my desk just to make it a little Christmassy in that. I'm not one to really decorate or anything like that. So other than my tree and my house and all that, but don't really decorate much around the house other than a few things that I have, but that's that. And these ones are new to me. So this is the last 2 pieces that I have. So these are roses with the wire stems. And I got them in pink as the other shade of pink, and they're just foam. Yeah. So I thought I hadn't seen these before, and I thought they would be fun to play with. And I just love that they're smaller and they're really rounded and all that. So I thought those were really super pretty, and they have the stems as well. But that is my majority of pink Dollarama haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.